So now we are going to learn what is the effect of the filter full wave rectifier with filter, with RC filter. Full wave rectifier with RC filter is now our topic, and we know that the ripple will be less than half of the DC output, that is 0.483 will be the ripple factor in full wave rectifier. And this center tap transformer, full wave rectifier and bridge rectifier, both will give the same output as this. Both will give the same output as this. And we know that in this solid line is the line which will appear when filter is connected. If filter is not connected, only this type of waveform will appear at the output. So what we are going to see is that if we connect the filter, then most of the ripple will be filtered out and more DC will come out at the output of this rectifier, and these two will give the same output. And after, how we can connect the filter, and for these two circuits is shown in these two figures. So ee arrow mark ground ni represent chestadi, and this is the bridge rectifier. What happens if filter is connected to this? ఇందాక మనం హాఫ్ వేవ్ రెక్టిఫైర్ ఎలా చూసామంటే, డ్యూరింగ్ ద పాజిటివ్ హాఫ్ సైకిల్ దిస్ డయోడ్ విల్ బి shorted and this diode will be open, and during the positive half cycle this diode will charge the capacitor, and voltage across the capacitor will be up to Vmax. After Vmax, what will happen here, that is the capacitor will starts discharging. So after going to Vmax, this diode will be reverse biased, and this diode is also reverse biased. In the previous case only, this diode will be in the reverse bias mode. Only this diode will be forward biased, because during the positive half cycle, positive wave will appear here and here, but negative is facing this. So this will be reverse biased and this will be forward biased, and by reaching Vm, this also will be reverse biased. So what happens? So it will discharge, the capacitor will discharge, the current cannot go to this or this. So here, during the positive half cycle up to this peak, the capacitor will be charged, and after this Vm, both the diodes will be, already this is in reverse bias and this also will become into reverse bias. Why? Because Vm will be maximum and this other voltage, the voltages after Vm will be less than Vm only. So this diode will have voltage less than Vm, so current tries to go in this way, but both diodes will be reverse biased for that current. So only one way to go here is the current has to flow in this direction. So if the current is flowing in this direction, capacitor discharge will take place. So capacitor will discharge. Now after coming a certain point, this diode will be forward biased, and this diode will flow the current to flow through this. So after going to V minimum, again this capacitor will charge towards Vm. It will charge towards V maximum. So after reaching the V maximum, for the negative half cycle, this diode is already reverse biased, and for the negative half cycles after reaching Vm, this diode will be reverse biased. So the current has to discharge through this path. So in this way my filter waveform will be this, same as in the previous case. So if this is the filter waveform and we have taken this as V maximum and V minimum, and if I offset this waveform it will be like this. If I approximate this waveform with the sawtooth wave, then my wave will be like this. So ఈ ప్రీవియస్ గా ఇందాక మీరు చేసిన లెక్కకి ఈ లెక్కకి తేడా ఏంటి అంటే ఓన్లీ ద టైం పీరియడ్ ఈస్ ద డిఫరెన్స్. సో వాట్ విల్ బి ద VC of T? That means the discharge or the voltage across the capacitor will follow the exponential function that will be V max into e to the power of minus T1 by RC. ఇందాక T1 అనుకున్నా ఇప్పుడు T2 అనుకున్నాం. What is this T2? T2 is going to be T2 is going to be 0 to T by 2 is this time period, and కొంత ఈ టైం పీరియడ్ అయ్యాక స్టార్ట్ అయ్యి ఈ టైం పీరియడ్ దాటాక కొంత టైం పీరియడ్ ఉంది కాబట్టి దిస్ టైం పీరియడ్ క్యాన్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ T2 and this can be considered as approximated to T by 2. So time period enta? My T2 is going to be T by 2. Now this will be V max e to the power of minus T by 2 RC. Minus T by 2 RC. So this is the only difference with the previous problem. ఈ టైం పీరియడ్ మాత్రమే డిఫరెంట్గా ఉంటుంది. అంతకు ముందు T by RC వచ్చింది, ఇప్పుడు twice of RC. So denominator is very larger than the previous one. So denominator ఎక్కువ ఉన్నప్పుడు ఏమవుతుంది, this will be a very less value. T by 2 RC will be very less, and very less values కి exponential అప్లై చేసి we found ఏం అప్లై చేసాం, దీన్ని ఏమనుకున్నాం, V max into 1 minus T by 2 RC వచ్చింది. సో VC of T ఎక్కడ దాకా డిశ్చార్జ్ అవుతుంది, it will discharge up to a minimum value V min. So V min is going to be V min V max into 1 minus T by 2 RC. So we ripple peak to peak calculate చేస్తాం. So already we have done this in the previous class. ఈ ప్రీవియస్ వీడియోలో చేసాం. దాన్ని జాగ్రత్తగా ఫాలో అయ్యి you should find the ripple of this full wave rectifier. That is exercise for you, and let me give the values of V ripple in this full wave circuit. That is ripple for full wave circuit with filter is going to be 1 by 4√3 FRC. దీన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయండి. దీన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేసి మీరు సొంతగా వీడియో ఫాలో అయ్యి ప్రీవియస్ వీడియో ఫాలో అయ్యి దీన్ని ప్రూవ్ చేయండి. దిస్ విల్ బి ఆఫ్ వాల్యూ 1 by 4√3 FRC. సో ఇది మీకు హోంవర్క్. సో we go for the next topic, that is going to be varactor diode.